Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the low quality Inn and Suites. It's the Porte, Texas. This feels really weird. Why? I don't know. It's 330, yay! I think the lady called it downstairs. Let's go down to one. There you go then. Going up. Well, let's get coffee here. It's a nice elevator. Walls. But the floor, I don't know what the hell they put on the floor. Or whatever it is very hard to turn. See? Not sure if they covered up some damage on the floor. Or whatever it is. They didn't do a good job with the floor. Yeah, that's all I have to say about this elevator. It's what a low quality and expected to be anyway. Let's go to the one. And this piece of metal here, what I think the RAM is. HT. This thing's not that great, honestly. Get me off of this thing. The floor's like tar, so it's like very sticky. There we go. That's a very sticky floor. That's for sure. Ugh. Yeah. There goes the elevator. That was wonderful. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.